Alright guys, we have a 2005 Mazda Tribute, which is the same thing as a Ford Escape and a Mariner. And what we have is a broken throttle cable. So let me show you what's going on here and we'll get this thing changed out. So you can see right here where the throttle cable hooks up, it's pulled completely through the bracket right here. So I've got a cable, and that Mazda does not make this cable anymore. So you've got to get the Ford part number, and I'll show you that part number. And we're going to get this changed out and get this lady back on the road. So let me show you the part number. That right there is the Ford part number. It was literally $20, so pretty cheap. Comes with everything you need. So let me get this out of the bag and we'll get started. Okay, hopefully you can see right up there where the top of the throttle pedal is. You just got to unclip that, and it's going to be difficult for me to show you that with the camera in the way, but I'm going to do my best. Hopefully you can see what's going on there, but I just unclipped that. Well, I hit the wrong button on the camera, but hopefully you are seeing. Hopefully you was able to see that. This was a pain holding the camera where it needs to go. You can see the little slot in the top of the pedal. You just pull that cable up and right up and out of there. Now out here, you want to pull the throttle up, and then you're going to slide this right out of there just like that. And then you got an 8mm here. Actually, before I took that off, I should have popped this out of there. You got a little clip right here that we got to get off. Now, this is just going through the firewall. I'm just going to pull it straight out. And it does have a new grommet. So, if this grommet does not come out, just pull the grommet straight out, just like that. And hopefully you can just see, we've just got the hole right there. Okay. You've got a new clip right here for this hose. We'll go ahead and clip that in. This is your cruise control cable here. So now we're all done out here. All I got to do is go inside and hook it to the top of the throttle pedal. All right, literally 1 minute later, and it's hooked up at the top of the throttle pedal itself. Throttle cable changed. 5-minute job. Anyway, 2005 Mazda Tribute, same thing as the Ford Escape. This has got the 3-liter engine, and like I said at the beginning of the video, Mazda does not make this cable anymore. It has been discontinued, so you got to go with the Ford cable, and I'll put the link in the description. And that's all we got. The only other thing that I forgot to mention is I took the top cover off here. You got these 2 nuts and a nut right here. So I've got to put the cover on and we're done. You guys take care.